Hey South, I'm Pickard, and the studio is kind of empty today. What's going on?
No time to explain. I need you to roll a charisma check.
Okay. It's a 14.
Very well.
What's that look for? Hey, what's that look for?
The winter season is closing in, and so is your time to register. Remember, you must have a sports physical and an ASB card. Bowling begins on Halloween, and all other sports begin in mid-November. If you're interested in ladies basketball, there will be an informational meeting today, right after school, in Stage 3. Last night, ladies soccer took on Bellarmine. JV won 4-0, and varsity clinched a huge 5-1 win. Goals from varsity were scored by Jamie Toma with 2, Maya Foster also with 2, and Grace Widergren with 1. They'll have their senior night game tomorrow. Make sure you come out and support them on our home turf. Are the halls looking empty? That's right, I made all the juniors vanish. Not really, they're just taking the PSAT. So remember, be respectful in the hallways. Don't forget, the library is closed today. Hey seniors, come to the Career Center during lunches today to help with filing your FAFSA. Remember, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday are half days. That means no late start tomorrow. Classes will start at 7:25, but the day will end at 10:40. In-person conferences will be Thursday in the main gym.
Okay, what am I doing here?
Make a history check.
Uh-oh, 3.
Well, it all started a long time ago, back in the time called the 90s, back when dinosaurs still roamed the earth.
Hey, stop mocking me. I'm gonna try to get out of here. By the way, your potions don't seem to be working.
Potions? I didn't make any potions.
Yeah, the red ones in the back of Deliciousness, they are awesome.
Pickard, those aren't potions. Those are the hot sauce bottles for next week's challenge.
Oh, tastes fine to me.
You drink the whole bottle?
Sure, 1 bottle. 1 didn't really do much. I'm gonna try to get out of here. You continue on.
If you have some serious fire resistance like Pickard, Heat Week is starting Monday. It's put on by students for teachers. Come cheer on your favorite teachers to take the heat challenge in the Commons during lunches. Teachers need to sign up by tomorrow. Speaking of red potions, a blood drive will start tomorrow and will run the rest of the week at St. Gabriel's Church in town. Sign up at schedule.bloodworksnw.org. South Colby is looking for camp counselors. If you are a sophomore, junior, or senior who is interested in making 5th graders' camp experience amazing, stop by the guidance office during non-class time for an application. Applications are due mid-November. Before we move on, I have another tale to tell you.
It's a tower that rocked the nation from a bygone era that you can see tonight. It's Wall of the Worlds, hosted by the Acting Ensemble. See it tonight for free in the main theater. Come now, don't be afraid.
The door is in fact locked.
You failed your sleight of hand check.
Are you kidding me? Swagger, let me out!
There will be a career fair at the Washington State Fairgrounds tomorrow and Thursday. This will be a great opportunity to find federal jobs for your future. This includes jobs at the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard. Be prepared to do on-the-spot interviews. Time is running out to get some free money in the form of scholarships. Check out the Voices of Democracy and Veterans of Foreign War scholarships in the Career Center. Both are due by Halloween. While Pickard is failing his strength check, you can get involved with the biggest club at SK.
The archer wearily walked through the forest, carefully stepping over fallen logs and avoiding ferns. When the archer came across a clearing, he was startled by the sound of 2 enemies.
Hey!
I got it! Oh! Those are our only snacks!
Oh, sorry.
D&D is meeting today. Come join the wizards and fighters in discussing the club rules and choosing DMs. Remember, it is only an hour in stage 2. An hour? Do not stay till 5. Swagger really wants to leave. In club news, Woodsheds will meet an extra time for the next 2 months, so they can have time to build their gifts for the holidays. DECA is hosting a Bowling for a Cause to raise money for National Breast Cancer Foundation. Tickets will be just $20. Tickets can be purchased in the marketing classroom, 261, from Miss Newton, or from Miss Madison in room 329. Also, DECA will not be meeting this week. The clubs meeting today are 3D Zone and D&D. Meeting tomorrow should be Autotech, Cosmetology and Self-Care, Esports, Journalism, QSA, and Speech and Debate. Please check with your advisors to see if you are meeting.
Okay, seriously, what's going on?
How do you resist Firebolt?
How?
You turn up your AC. Make a Constitution saving throw.
Nat 1. I'm being held against my will, South. Finally escaped that stupid room. Ugh, wizards.